Hello, let us start to solve the problem. First of all, read the problem. A line AB has its end A in HP, 40 mm in front of VP. So we have been given A and a dash. Its front view is inclined at 50° to XY line. Front view is inclined means alpha is given and has length of 70 mm. That means EL is given. The other end B is in VP. That means point B is in VP. That means in top view it's going to be on XY line. Top view point is given, that means B is given. Draw its projections. So this is given data. Now what is asked? Actual projection. Then TL is asked for whatever is given data. So let us start with the solution. First of all, using line command, draw 150 mm line, XY line, label it as X and Y using annotate command. Now let us draw, and A is in HP, so basically in front view we'll get A dash on XY line and 40 mm in front of VP. So let us draw front view locus using offset command. Okay, so offset is 40, so enter. So here we have got locus of point A. So let us write it immediately. Locus of, now also locate point A dash on XY line. Once you locate point A dash on XY line, you will also get point A on its locus. So A dash is shown. Now A is also shown. So basically then we may try to use front view, because end B we don't know where it is. It will be on XY line, but we really don't know where is the exact location, so we have to utilize front view. Front view is at 50° and has length of 70 mm. So let us draw 70 mm line using line command. Tab, angle is 50°. So now here this is elevation length, and whatever angle we have shown is actually alpha. That's why this point is directly, we are getting point B dash. Here we are getting point B dash directly. If we are getting point B dash directly, that also means we are getting point B directly, because it will be on same projector. If we are getting point B directly, then that means we are going to get AB directly. So now final projection, make it a bold line. So we have finished first part of problem. Now let us find out true length. In order to find true length, what we have to do is we have to rotate this plan length parallel to XY line. Let's use arc command, center, start, and arc command will work in anti-clockwise, counter-clockwise direction. So in order to make it work in clockwise direction, hold the control key. Now we have rotated this plan length such that it becomes parallel to XY line. So let us name this point as B2. Also using point B2, we can get locus of b dash. So let us get locus of b dash. There is no need to specify distance, but we have to use offset through command. Okay, and then let us get the locus of b dash. Locus of b dash. Now if we get point b2 and if we join this, we will get point b2 dash, b2 dash, and by the concept of line A, b2 dash will be true length. So that is true length, and angle made by true length with respect to xy line, that will be theta. And we have drawn it. So let us label all the given data. Okay. Now let us label whatever is asked, whatever is given. Given data was elevation length, and whatever is asked was true length. And then basically whatever is additional part from this solution, we have to delete this. Using trim command, and we will make our solution compact. So with this, we have finished the solution. Thank you.